Welcome to Love the Adventures! Welcome to Love the Adventures! Today we're going to be doing Valentine's... Oh my gosh, there's something in my eye. In my eye. I look good. I look good. You look good. There's something still in my eye.
That you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And I think down, plans would come true. And I think down, my whole life loving you.
Welcome to Love the Adventures, where today we're going to be doing St. Patrick's Day decorations. I'm super excited about these. I had so much fun making them. My office looks great. These can be for your office, your bedroom, your bathroom, your hallway, your little nook underneath your bed. Whatever you want, you can do it. You can do them. You can put them anywhere. Some of these, as I show you the pictures, I did for Valentine's, so I to make these cute little shamrocks, aren't they quite adorable? Really so you first want to get paper shop. But I have some new ideas for you. So first off, I have these cute little shamrocks. Shamrock. Then I have this awesome vase. This gold necklace thingy. Garland with little pieces. It's some gold on your, yeah. You want to make sure you need cardboard and different colors of green yarn, or you can do different colors of shamrocks if you really feel like it. But green is what I'm using today. You also want pencil, scissors, and a little shamrock cutout. You can find any online and just make sure you want it about the same, just get about the size you want. And a glue gun. So why do I keep hitting my camera? And a glue gun! And you'll want all that. So first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to get your little shamrock, get your little paper shamrock cut out, and you're going to trace it with a pencil onto the cardboard and make your cute little shape. Once you have your shape all ready, you'll want to cut it out. So cut. Once you have it all cut, you just start moving it around. There's some different fun techniques. We all have our own techniques. You figure out your technique. I like to start doing just like the edges, and then I'll do like the corners.
Yeah. We bop and pretty hot, and as happy as I can be. Boom, boom, and pretty zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and pretty hot, I'll never be a millionaire. Boom, boom, and pretty zoom. I'm in love.
To start out with this vase, you're going to want to get sticks. Different kind of sticks, cut them off a tree. Don't be illegal, find them in a safe place or buy them. You'll also want a vase, different things to fill in. It could be coins, it could be rocks, or you can just do air and it should be fine. Or just stick fun other things in it. You'll also want scissors and paper. So the first thing I'm doing with this is I'm going to cut out little tiny shamrocks. And this is one that I can't really give you like set, but I would say just find different ways that you find is best, and just keep trying until you find like a good shamrock. It could be a 3-leaf clover, a 4-leaf clover. Just find what works best, and you just practice makes perfect. You know, just keep practicing and practicing. Those all cut out. You can just glue them right onto the tips of your branches and fill it in, and you are done. And that is so easy, fun, right?
Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and pretty hot, I'll never be a millionaire. Boom, boom, and pretty zoom.
For the last one, we're gonna be doing the coin garland, and this one's easy. You first want to get a hole punch and cut and punch out a hole in each of your coins. So punch out a coin. This actually really hurt my hand. My hand was like really sore. Put string through, tie a knot, do the next one, and you're done. Thank you for watching this tutorial and for staying this long. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe, and make sure you have a wonderful day, like for real, because you deserve it, because you're awesome. And set up notifications so that you can get more of these and more exciting things. Follow me on Instagram, all that fun jazz, and here is some cool videos that you can watch, and this is a very unattractive pose.